Hello, Moto.
Lesson 2, Education and Technology. A. Think about the following questions. 1. Do you use the internet or computer while studying? 2. To what extent do you take help from the internet to know about a new study terms or word? 3. Do you think digital technology should be incorporated into classrooms? B. Now read the following article and try to find the answers to the above questions. AI in the classrooms, pros, cons, and the role of edtech companies by Olufemi Shanubi. Artificial intelligence has the potential to revolutionize the way we learn and teach. As a tool in the classroom, AI can provide students with personalized learning experiences, automate repetitive tasks, and provide instant feedback. However, it also has its limitations. Let us explore the pros and cons of AI as a tool in the classroom, address the concern that AI could be a threat of teachers and instructors' jobs, and discuss the role of edtech companies in advancing this AI use case. Advantages of AI in the classroom. One of the main advantages, 1C of AI in the classroom is personalized learning. AI-powered educational tools can analyze data on student performance and provide tailored support to improve their grades. AI can also provide instant feedback. For example, AI-powered educational tools can provide students with immediate feedback on their work, allowing them to identify and correct mistakes quickly. Another advantage of AI is its ability to automate repetitive tasks. It can grade assignments and quizzes, which can free up teachers' time for other tasks, such as lesson planning and providing more one on one attention to students. There are already a few AI tools that supporting learning in classroom or workplace context. For example, Ahura is an AI-powered learning assistant that tracks learning habits by observing attention and engagement. Newton's offers and adapting learning platforms that provided personalized learning experiences for students. Quarium is an AI-powered tutor that provides students with step-by-step tutoring on math problems and builds personalized lesson plans. Alex is an AI-powered learning platform that provides individual learning paths based on students' strengths and weaknesses. Carnegie Learning's offered an AI-powered tutor that helps students improve their math skills by providing personalized learning based on their performance. There's also Smart Sparrow, which allows users to provide constructive feedback that is unique to each student. Finally, GradeScope is an AI-powered grading tool that automates the grading processes, which can free up teachers' time and allow them to provide more individualized attention to students. These are just a few examples of AI tools with applications in the classroom. It is important to note that these tools should not replace teachers, but rather assist them in their work. Downsides and challenges of AI in the classroom. Some teachers and instructors may see AI as a threat to their jobs, believing it will automate their tasks and make them redundant. But it is important to note that AI is not meant to replace teachers, but rather to assist them in their work. AI is a tool and should be developed and used as such. There are also negatives to consider, one of which is the cost of developing and implementing AI powered educational tools. This can be a significant barrier for schools and teachers who need more resources to invest in AI technology. There is also the lack of human interactions and emotion support that students receive when using AI powered educational tools. While AI can provide personalized learning and instant feedback, it cannot replace the human and emotional support that students need to succeed. And relying too heavily on AI powered educational tools may impact students negatively. Privacy concerns are also a limitations of AI in the classroom. AI-powered educational tools may collect and store sensitive personal data, which raises concerns about privacy and security. The role of edtech companies. EdTech companies play a crucial role in advancing the use of AI in the classroom and ensuring that it is used ethically and responsibly. To do so, they should consider the following. One, cost. The cost of developing and implementing AI powered educational tools can be significant barriers for schools and teachers. EdTech companies should work to make AI technology accessible to a broader range of schools and teachers and explore alternative funding options such as grants or partnerships to help offset the cost. Two, human interaction. AI powered educational tools cannot replace the human and emotional support that students need to succeed. EdTech companies should aim to develop AI tools that augment rather than replace the role of teachers and provide students with a well-rounded education that includes both personalized learning and human interaction. Three, privacy and security. Privacy concerns are a significant limitations of AI in the classroom. EdTech companies must ensure that the sensitive personal data collected and stored by AI-powered educational tools are properly secured and that privacy is maintained. Four, improved AI capabilities. Current AI powered educational tools have limitations, such as a lack of creativity and originality and a limited understanding of context. Yet, tech companies should aim to improve AI capabilities and overcome these limitations to create more advanced, innovative, and effective AI tools for the classroom. Five, ethical considerations. EdTech companies should consider the ethical implications of AI technology in education and develop AI tools in a transparent, fair, and responsible manner. They must also ensure that they develop and use AI tools in accordance with the laws and regulations governing data privacy, security, and intellectual property. In conclusion, AI has the potential to be a valuable addition to the classroom. Still, EdTech companies should develop AI tools with caution and in collaboration with teachers, educators, and students to ensure that they are helpful, ethical, and effective in meeting the needs of learners. I believed that AI could revolutionize the way we teach and learn. Say, write true or false beside the following statements. Do yourself. D. Writes answers to the following questions. E. Write a one-line gist for each paragraph in the above article and paraphrases in 100 words. Please see the strategies of paraphrasing before completing this task. F. How paraphrases. Paraphrasing refers to restating another piece of writing in new words while retaining the original passage's meaning. Unlike summarizing, in paraphrasing you include roughly the same amount of details as the original work but adjust the language to demonstrate comprehension or make the text more understandable. Paraphrasing is essential in academic writing as a way to use other people's ideas in your own works. Mixing and paraphrasing alongside direct quotes works well and can help your paper flow more naturally. Paraphrasing examples. Original text, paraphrase. Some plants release certain aromas to alert their plant neighbors that they're under attack. Some vegetation emits special scents to warn other plants that there's danger nearby. Daniels, 1982. Polar bears are almost undetectable by infrared cameras because of how they conserve heat. Polar bears cannot be detected easily by infrared cameras due to their unique heat conservation. Rodriguez, 2002. The observable universe consists of more than 1,000,000,000,000 galaxies. More than 100 billion galaxies comprise the known universe. Levio, 2022. Steps to paraphrasing without plagiarizing. 1. Read the source's article thoroughly. The first step in rewriting articles is to thoroughly understand the social material. Choose which passages you want to paraphrase. Look closely for points that support the topic you are writing your own paper about. Try rewriting passages by memory. Rewriting from memory forces you to come up with new ways to say the same messages. You can then go back to your notes and the source of materials to make sure that all of your information is accurate and add anything you forget. 3. Thoroughly rewrite by changing language and sentence structures. Use synonyms to replace the essential words of an original passages with other words that mean the same thing, such as using scientists for researchers or seniors for the elderly. This is a common approach to paraphrasing, but it's not sufficient on its own. Editing the sentence structures by rearranging the order of certain phrases and clauses or combining or breaking apart sentences in another strategy for paraphrasing. Be careful that doing so does not cause you to overuse the passive voice. Sometimes you can rephrase a sentence by changing the parts of speech, such as converting a gerund into the operative verb or turning an adjective into an adverb. This strategy depends on the wording of the original passages, so you may not always have the opportunity. 4. Check that your article rewording is different enough. After writing a rough draft, review the original source to check that you changed enough. You want to avoid what's called patch writing. where the paraphrase text is too close to the original and the reader might recognize patches of it. This is also a good opportunity to verify that you have included all the correct information. 5. Review your content for accuracy and proofread your proofs. Paraphrasing is a ripe opportunity for introducing errors and inaccuracies. Make sure you have not changed the meaning of the original work as you have adjusted its style and structure. Then use Grammarly to proofread your content for clarity, conciseness, and grammatical correctness. Add the citation. 6. Last but not least, be sure to include the citation. Make sure you are using the correct citation format for your style, whether APA, MLA, or Chicago. If you are paraphrasing an article, most of the time you will use parenthetical citation after the passage. References: Ellis M. 2024 FL8. How to paraphrase without plagiarizing a thing. Grammarly blog: How to paraphrase without plagiarizing a thing. Grammarly. Shonobi O. 2023 February 21. AI in the classroom: Pros, cons, and the role of edtech companies. Forbes. AI in the classroom: Pros, cons, and the role of edtech companies. Forbes.com.